I think the complexity of these threats, they're constantly changing and they're finding new ways to get into systems. And district leaders have to constantly be up on what's going on. I think also that balance between security and accessibility, teachers don't want to have to use their phone for that multi-step authentication. Superintendent doesn't want to have to change their password every 3 months. Teachers want to take their laptops home over the summer, yet we need to do updates and patches on them. It becomes a challenge as to, is it a locking everything down approach to, we're just trying to keep you all safe. So I think that's a big barrier. That's a culture change for a lot of districts, especially ones that are used to operating where the principal of the high school has access to the system admin to the entire sys. In the old days, that may have been okay, but it's not anymore.